Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to know if the gate remote controller battery is good or not. In this case, we are going to measure how many volts has the battery inside this control to know if the battery has enough energy or not, and then change the battery. Let's start. The first step is open the control. Let's open this control to access to the inside battery. For this, we need this tool. Introduce this tool inside and move in this way and open the control. Okay, open the control. And now take this. Okay, excellent. And now introduce this in this way and move. Ready. Now take the battery. In this case, this control uses 2 batteries. In this case, like we are watching now. Now, the next step is read the information on the battery. Let me see. This is the model CR2016 battery. This is a lithium battery, and this is the battery voltage, 3 volts. This number is very important to set up the digital multimeter and then measure this battery. Now, let's set up the digital multimeter. The first step is turn on, and here we have batteries. This means we must choose direct current voltage mode. This mode is from this level to this level. These numbers means the voltage limit. In this case, we are going to choose a level higher than 3 volts. In this case, this is 2 volts, 20 volts, 200 volts, and 1000 volts. In this case, we are going to choose 20 volts because 20 volts is higher than 3 volts. And therefore, this means we can measure this battery in this level. Now, the next step is connect the digital multimeter to the battery. This is very easy. Take the battery, and this, let me see, this side is the positive and this side is the negative. The red is the positive, touch in this side, and the black touch in the other side. And watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we have 3.04 volts. This means this battery is bad. We need to change the battery in this case, because when we connect the digital multimeter to the battery, the number that we read on the screen must be higher, more higher than 3 volts. If we watch almost 3 volts, this means the battery is discharged. Let's measure the other battery. Let me see. touch here, and touch here, and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we have 3 volts. We need to change the battery. For the newest one, open this newest one. 2 batteries. It's the same battery. Let's open this. Now, this is the newest batteries. Now we are going to measure the voltage. Okay. And now we have 3.30 volts. This means this battery is new. It's in excellent condition. Now let's test the other battery. In this case, touch here and touch here. Yeah, 3.30 volts. This means this battery is good. It's in excellent condition. Now, the next step is introduce the battery inside the control. Take one battery, take the other, and put in this position. Now, use this in this way. Look in this way. And now introduce the 2 batteries inside this space in the control motherboard. Okay, let's test. Press the key. Okay, it's working. Now, put this, let me see, in this way. And introduce this in this way. Okay. Now take this and put this here and put this in this position. Okay, excellent. And press again. Ready. Now our control is ready. Press the key and it's working correctly. Like we are watching. Now our control is like new. It's ready. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel SOSANASA 1 in English. Share this video. Give me a like. And see you next time. Subscribe to our channel SOSANASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.